Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can send PDFs like PDF documents within your messages and chats on Microsoft Teams. So let us get started. So head over to Microsoft Teams, for example, via the web application and access the chat menu here in the top left. Select the conversation you would like to go with. So let me go with a completely new chat here by clicking into a new chat here, enter the recipient's username here at the top and type in your message. And it is actually simple, guys. If you'd like to send also a document in PDF file format, all you will need to do is simply click into that paperclip icon here, attach files. After that, click into upload from this device or select the file from your Microsoft Cloud or OneDrive. I'm going to upload it from my device. After that, simply locate the PDF on your device and wait for it to be uploaded, and that's basically it. After that, simply press enter to send the given message within the PDF, and that's it. You may also remove the given attachment if you like. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.